Hello guys, my name is Vanmani and I am here to explain about my tool, that is prompt analysis tool. Actually, this tool is helpful for a prompt engineer or a people who uses LLM for their prompts. So basically, these tools analyze and also elaborate or that gives you a better prompt from for using in chat, GPT or bot or anywhere. So how it works, we will go and check it out. So when you go to my website, that is here prompt analysis on render.com, you will be redirected to this particular page where you will have three different options, that is OpenAI, Hugging Face, and you can know about us from this website also. So in OpenAI, when you press, you will be redirected to this particular page. So before that, I want to show you that there is a prompt I have where it says write a blog on global warming and its effects. So let's go to ChatGPT and let's try what it will do. So it has given you a better result. That good. It's fine. Okay. 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 So it said about it. Now what my tool do is, let's see what my tool does. Oh, so let's go to my tool and let's copy. Before copying, we have to go is go to OpenAPI website and go to the login page where you will be redirected to this particular page. Go to the API sections and create a new key for yourself. By pressing this, you can write a name that is like TS or something, TS1 or something, and just create a new key and go to my tool and you can just use that particular tool, I mean key, and now you take my particular uh, prompt that we already used and then we'll submit this particular thing. Okay, so now my score is on 95%. So my particular this is a score that gives how good my particular prompt that was already written, and this is a very good to prompt that gives my 100% of that result from the chat GPT. So let's go and test it. So now I read the same test. So now you can see how it is different from each other, and it started. And now you can compare in the both of the sessions which is better. So thank you. If you like this project, let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate playlist that will help for you to create an amazing projects like this. Thank you.